Hello everyone, welcome to this quick video. This one is about the website content management system and specifically about these link boxes. So you may have a design template that has these link boxes, which means that you can put these quick links as a picture onto your home page. Clicking on the picture itself will take you to an internal or an external page. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the link, change the text on the front, or put additional link boxes onto your home page through the tool. So I'm going to log in now as an administrator. Go to website and you should see your link buttons in a tool on your home page just here. And if you click on the edit button that pops up when you move your cursor across the tool itself, you'll see the edit button pop up and you can click on it and you'll see your various link buttons here. And if you're familiar with Gallery, it works in exactly the same way as the Gallery, but it's using the functionality of the Gallery where you can add your caption and you can add your interior or exterior link in the field underneath. So if I want to edit my existing links, then I can change the caption to something else. And you can change the link underneath as well. So this could be an internal link, as in it could be a page of your own website, or it could be an external link, as in it could be a completely different website's page. Just cut and paste the web address for the chosen page and add it just in here. Now just remember, if it is an internal link, please don't take this internal link from a page from your website editor, because the public are not going to be able to get to that without your password. So just take that from the public side of your website. Now, just like your galleries, you can move these around, so you can change the order of how the link boxes sit on your homepage just by clicking and dragging, and you can add a new one by scrolling to the button up at the top that says attach images. Clicking on here will go to your computer's browser and you can select an image directly from there. Now this tool will add the photo first, so the only thing you can't do is change the picture of a desired existing link. To do that, just add a new picture and then put the new caption and the new link and then delete the old one. So that's how to change your link boxes if you have this particular tool on your website design. I hope that's been useful to you, and I'll speak to you again soon.